Hello dear Tanthes, I am Mrs. Ekta God with my next one video of biology for the chapter Our Environment. In this video, I am going to discuss about the important questions. So just be with me and enjoy the important question and learn too. So as you can participate in the quiz. So your first question is global warming is a phenomenon related to option A evaporation, option B ecological balance, option C greenhouse effect, option D desertification. What is the meaning of global warming? Check your answer. That is greenhouse effect. Why? Because the increase in greenhouse gases in the environment leads to global warming. तो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग कब होती है? जब हमारी इस धरती का टेम्परेचर ग्रीन हाउसेस की वजह से बढ़ता चला जाता है. दैट इज नोन एज ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट और द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. Next is what will happen if deer is missing in the food chain given below. As grass is eaten by deer, deer is eaten by tiger. So what will happen? Option A, the population of tiger increases. Option B, the population of grass decreases. Option C, tiger will start eating grass. Option D, the population of tiger decreases and the population of grass increases. आंसर देखिए. द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ टाइगर डिक्रीजेस एंड द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ ग्रास इंक्रीजेस. क्योंकि ग्रास कैन नॉट बी ईटन बाय द डियर तो वो बढ़ती चली जाएगी एंड टाइगर विल नॉट गेट द फूड फॉर देयर सर्वाइवल. तो टाइगर्स धीरे धीरे रिड्यूस होना शुरू हो जाएंगे. If herbivores start missing, the producer population will increase and the population of carnivores will decrease dramatically. Okay? आप सभी क्वेश्चंस लिखते चले जाएं तो आपके पास एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन का कलेक्शन हो जाएगा. Next is the substance which is chiefly responsible for the depletion of ozone layer is option A CFCs, option B CH4, option C DDT, option D O3. अब सबको पता ही है. यस ऑफ कोर्स CFCs. आपसे फुल फॉर्म पूछी जाए तो वो भी आपको मालूम है, क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन. So the use of chemicals like CFCs has endangered the ozone layer. Next is which of the following substances will not be converted to compost when added in a composting pit? Option A waste paper, option B fruit and vegetable peels, option C human and animal excreta, option D plastic bags. Check your answer. Yes, of course, plastic bags cannot be converted into the compost or the manures. So how can you write the explanation? Plastic bags and bottles come under the category of non-biodegradable products because they cannot be broken down by natural process and tend to damage the safety of the environment. So यहाँ से आप केवल MCQs ही नहीं लिख रहे हैं. Just you are getting the so many questions with the explanation also. Next is which of the following radiations is responsible for the conversion of atmospheric oxygen to ozone? Option A gamma radiations, option B cosmic radiations, option C infrared radiations, option D ultraviolet radiations. You know the answer? Yes, ultraviolet radiations. Why? Because UV radiation is a highly damaging radiation which when enters the environment can change atmospheric nitrogen into ozone. So next is if 100 joule energy is available at the producer level in a food chain, then the energy available to the secondary consumer will be. It will be 10 joule, 0.1 joule, C 1 joule or option D 0.01 joule. Yes, answer is 1 joule. Why? Because producers convert sunlight into chemical energy and when one form of energy is changed to another, some energy is lost to the environment in forms which cannot be used again. So the correct answer will be 1 joule. Next is, which among the following is a correct full form for DDT? Option A, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Option B, dichloro-diphenyl tetrachloroethane. Option C, decaphenyl trichloroethane. Dichloro-diethyl trichloroethane. So what will be the correct full form? So now you have to learn. It is dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. What is it? The full form of DDT is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. It is known for its insecticidal properties. Next is, every food chain in the ecosystem begins with which are the original source of food? Option A, saprophytes. Option B, parasites. Option C, producers. Option D, herbivores. किससे शुरू होगी? कोई भी फूड चेन शुरू होती है तो यस, प्रोड्यूसर्स, क्योंकि इस धरती पर कोई भी चेन को शुरू करने के लिए केवल और केवल प्लांट्स ही रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं. So as all green plants and few blue green algae which can produce food by photosynthesis are called the producers. Next question is, which of the following may be a conclusion of the excessive exposure of humans to sun's ultraviolet rays? Number 1, peptic ulcers. Number 2, eye disease like cataract. Number 3, damage to lungs. Number 4, skin cancer. तो अब आपका ऑप्शन ए है फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ आर करेक्ट. ऑप्शन बी सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ आर करेक्ट. ऑप्शन सी सेकंड एंड फोर्थ आर करेक्ट. ऑप्शन डी ओनली 4 इज करेक्ट. चलिए आंसर को चेक करते हैं. ये सेकंड एंड फोर्थ आपको मैंने बताया है. Eye diseases like cataract and skin cancer can be the cause of high ultraviolet rays. Too much exposure to the ultraviolet rays in the sun can increase the risk of cataract and skin cancer. Next is, we should reduce the use of the plastic bags, bottles, etc. Because option A, they are not durable. Option B, they are not biodegradable. Option C, they are made of toxic materials. Option D, they react with the atmospheric gases. Check your answer. As they are non-biodegradable. Why? Plastic bags and bottles come under the category of non-biodegradable products because they cannot be broken down by natural process and tend to damage the safety of the environment. Very, very important questions. Continuous. It is coming in the exams. Question number 11 is, the process of accumulation of harmful chemical substances like pesticides in the body of living organisms at each tropic level of a food chain is known as. Option A, biological magnification. Option B, biological accumulation. Option C, chemical magnification. Option D, chemical accumulation. Check your answer. So it is biological magnification. Very, very important. बहुत अच्छे से आप इसकी definition को याद करेंगे. The buildup of toxic and chemical constituents like pesticides, DDT, herbicides in the body of biotic organisms through food web or chain is known as biomagnification. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है बच्चों, इसको आप बहुत अच्छे से याद करेंगे. Next is, among the following, choose the correct option which contains only biodegradable items. Number 1, wood, paper, PVC. Number 2, paper, seeds, detergent. Number 3, paper, animal excreta, wood. Number 4, wool, leaves, paper. Option A is saying 1, 2 and 3 options are correct. Option B is 1 and 3rd are correct. Option C, second, third and fourth are correct. Option D, third and fourth are correct. बहुत जल्दी से बताइए. बायोडिग्रेडेबल आइटम्स, इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आपसे जरूर पूछे जाते हैं. बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आप लोग. सो थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. थर्ड पे क्या दिया है? पेपर, एनिमल एक्सक्रीटा और वुड बायोडिग्रेडेबल है. वुल, लीव्स और पेपर ये भी बायोडिग्रेडेबल है, लेकिन फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में पीवीसी बायोडिग्रेडेबल नहीं है और सेकंड ऑप्शन में डिटर्जेंट बायोडिग्रेडेबल नहीं है. इसलिए दोनों ही रॉन्ग आंसर्स हैं. सो ऑल नेचुरल थिंग्स प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय नेचर आर बायोडिग्रेडेबल. Question number 13 is green plants utilize dash percent of sun's energy to prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Option A 1%, option B 10%, option C 20%, option D 99%. So only 1% क्योंकि green plants में कितनी एनर्जी होती है 1%. The study of flow of energy between various ecosystems state that the autotrophs in a terrestrial ecosystem capture about 1% of the energy of sunlight that falls on their leaves and convert it into feed. तो जब भी प्लांट्स की बात आती है तो देन यू विल से 1%, और किसी भी नेक्स्ट ट्रॉपिक लेवल की बात आती है तो वहां पर आपको 10% के अकॉर्डिंग ही आंसर निकालना होता है. Question number 14 is which among the following statements is incorrect in view of the plants? Option A, they convert the solar energy into mechanical energy. Option B, they prepare their food from organic compounds. Option C, they are also called producers. Option D, they are the initial source of energy in a food chain. चलिए आंसर देखिए. They prepare their food from organic compounds. So only this point is not relevant to the plants. Why? Because plants prepare food from sunlight and inorganic constituents like carbon dioxide and water. Question number 15 is in a food chain, the second trophic level is occupied by option A carnivores, option B autotrophs, option C herbivores, option D producers. Second trophic level. Check your answer. Yes, herbivores. क्योंकि जो भी प्लांट्स को खाएगा वही सेकंड ट्रॉपिक लेवल में कंसीडर होगा. Herbivores occupy the second tropic level after autotrophs or producers. तो हमेशा ही आप याद रखेंगे इस बात को. In my next video, I am going to start about the how do organisms reproduce. So be with me to learn all the important things of this chapter. So as in my next video, I will continue how do living organisms reproduce. As you know, this is very important chapter and little bit difficult also. But really, you will feel easy when you will study with me. So just press the bell icon to get the updates of my videos. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Have a happy day. Bye bye.